Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really love unboxings and you guys do too. I just received my paid for Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of May. I will pop all the deets and everything right here. And I always say that I feel like with subscription boxes, kind of across the board, I feel like you get the best bang for your buck. Specifically if you are a newbie to makeup, you have a younger beauty who's dipping their toes into makeup, skincare, or you're trying to build a collection. It's an incredibly affordable way to try tons of different brands, makeup, hair, skincare, and really kind of find your favorites, find out what brands you like and what brands you don't like. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in. We always get a theme card for the month. And this month, for June 2025, make bold moves. Bring on the bright hues and dopamine boosting glam. This month is all about chasing joy and expressing it through every look. You also get some pertinent details and important dates and things like that. All right, and I did also already get my PR package. I'll link that for you guys. First up, I have the Girlactic Blush Me and Glow Face Palette. That is what the unit carton looks like. Try to open this without ripping it. And generally, if there is something in my subscription boxes that I know that I'm not going to use, I will put things into my resale group over on Facebook, and that is always linked down below. And then I also put things away for giveaways and things like that for you guys. Oh, that's pretty. I like the packaging. Of course, it's going to get dirty as heck pretty quickly. Oh, that's really pretty. So we have a blush, a bronzer, and a highlighter. Our shades are Pinch Me Blush, Sunset Bronzer, and then Radiance Glow. This is the Blush Me palette in medium. Really, really pretty. I might actually keep that. I think it's that pretty that I think I would keep it. Next up, I'm not going to open this one, but I will show you guys a picture of it only because I just opened one in my other unboxing and you guys could definitely check that out as well. This is the Formula Z Pretty Magic Shadow Palette. I was a little bit bummed by this palette in my PR package. Again, I'll pop a picture for you guys because I assumed it was going to be sparkly and glittery and glimmery and then like pastels with like pinks and blues and purples, and it was not. Not to say that that's a bad thing, but I generally am somebody that I like for the outer carton to be kind of indicative of what's on the inside. It gives me an idea just as a consumer, as an eyeshadow lover and things like that. It gives me an idea of, hey, if I look at a palette, I know what's going to happen, and it didn't deliver. Not mad at it, though, and I do like that they are giving us a palette this month. That is something that I wish that they would go back to and just kind of revert back to old school Ipsy, old school Boxycharm, where we get a palette in every single box. Next up, I'm incredibly excited about this. This is the Ole Henriksen Strawberry Lemonade Smoothing Scrub, AHA, and Sugar Exfoliant. I'm so excited about this. I'm a big fan of Ole Henriksen, and you guys know I love skincare, and I believe this is a pretty new launch for them as well. Next up, we have the Pink Lips Everlasting Liquid Blush Radiance. Is Radiance the shade, or do they just mean radiant? I have no idea, y'all. We're gonna find out. Ooh, that's very pretty. Okay, the shade itself is Radiance. All right. And then last up, I did also get some add-ons. Last up in my actual box is the LYS Beauty Speak Love Lip Liner Pencil Duo. We have Devoted and Romantic. So we have like a deep, dark, rich, looks like almost espresso-y type shade, and then a beautiful kind of mauve-y type shade. That is what they look like. Really beautiful packaging, and they are kind of synonymous with their triangular shaped packaging. All right, so in our box, we got the 2 liners, we got the blush, we also got a palette, and then a kind of blush face palette, and then our Ole Henriksen. I'm gonna say, even though there are certain things that maybe I'm not gonna get use out of, as the collective and as the whole, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. I said the same thing with my PR box. Even if there's not, you know, always things that I'm for sure going to use and they're not like wowing me, the actual selection here, like basically I got one skincare, everything else is makeup focused. You pretty much are building a full cohesive look with the products in here, and I love that. Giving it a 5 out of 5. I think it's great. Going into my add-ons, I picked up the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating and Defining Mask. I do have very wavy hair, so I do like to obviously wear my hair straight or wear it super wavy. Next up, I got the Kimchi Chic Beauty, the Yum Your Unicorn Mouth. This is a number 14 Vanilla Bean. It's just a lip liner. I think it's a lip liner. I'm pretty sure that's why I picked it, y'all. Yeah, lip liner pencil. And I'm a fan, kind of like today, I like to do a little bit of a deeper liner and then either do like some type of a gloss or a lipstick that's a lighter shade. So I'm excited about that. And then last up, I'm kind of kicking myself in the ass because I already filmed and have makeup on, but this is a newer release for e.l.f. And I've not seen any reviews yet because I was actually going to pick this up. But it's the new e.l.f. Halo Glow Skin Tint. Mineral Broad Spectrum SPF of 30, and then it is a skin tint, light coverage, dewy finish in the shade 8 Medium Natural. Now, looking at this right now, am I shade 8 Medium Natural? No, I'm not. But I always say this in like springtime months and spring months. I always say that any type of complexion product that I buy, I'm buying it for the summertime. I'm buying it for my actual body color, not my face color, if that makes any sense. But I love the packaging of this. I think it's so pretty and it's so sleek. And I do just want to swatch it to just kind of, oh, that is really liquidy. Holy crap. Be careful, y'all. Oh my goodness. Let me shake that up some. Actually, that's not too far off from my shade right now. So if I do use this and I feel like I can go ahead and test it out, I will definitely test this out for you guys very, very soon if you want to see that. But now that's going to make me think, which it's a tint, so they're pretty forgiving and pretty universal, if you will. It actually doesn't smell super sunscreeny. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like that. I love products like this. So yeah, those are my little bit of add-ons. I'm excited about this. Let me know if you want to see a look with that. Yeah, that is it for my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of June. What did you guys think? Are we box twins? I'd love to know. I also want to know, do you have any birthdays coming up? My mama's birthday's coming up very, very soon, and my niece's birthday's coming up very, very soon, and my brother's birthday's coming up. So if y'all could just shout them out and just say happy birthday to Riri's family, I'd be super grateful. And you guys, at the time that I'm filming this, you'll see it very soon. You'll see it on today in real time. The time I'm filming this, you guys, I'm 8 subscribers away, y'all. 8 subscribers away from 6,000 subscribers. And here's what I want to do. I'm thinking about this right now in my head. I think I'm going to go ahead, if I can get those 8 subscribers in the next 24 hours, if I can hit 6K in the next 24 hours after that, just to solidify that I have in fact reached 6,000 subscribers, I'm going to come back to this video and I'm going to give away this palette. We'll throw some other stuff in here and I'll do a quick giveaway for you guys. All the deets and rules and everything are down below. So if you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and make sure you share this video out. You must be in the US, but again, all deets and everything are down below. So if I get to 6K, y'all, just 8 subscribers in the next 24 hours, I'm gonna come back to this video and I'm gonna do a giveaway. That is it. I love you all. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you, of course, for being here. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.